Your doors do more than simply provide entry and exit points. They protect your home, contribute to energy efficiency, and shape the overall appearance of your property. Over time, however, even the best doors can wear down, lose insulation value, or become outdated in style. That's why many homeowners in Redmond are choosing to invest in quality replacement doors. It's an upgrade that enhances comfort, security, and long-term value all at once. Improving everyday comfort. Older doors often develop small gaps around the frame, allowing drafts to enter and conditioned air to escape. In Redmond homes, this can lead to noticeable temperature fluctuations near entryways. Quality replacement doors are built with insulated cores and advanced weather sealing that help maintain a more stable indoor environment. The result is improved comfort throughout the home. Enhancing energy efficiency. Energy performance is a major reason homeowners upgrade their doors. Modern replacement doors in Redmond are designed to minimize heat transfer and reduce air leakage. By creating a tighter seal, they help indoor systems operate more efficiently, supporting consistent temperatures year-round. Boosting home security. Security is always a top priority. Quality replacement doors feature reinforced materials and durable locking systems that enhance protection. Redmond homeowners appreciate the added peace of mind that comes with a sturdy, professionally installed entry door. Updating curb appeal. The front door is one of the most noticeable features on your home's exterior. Replacing an outdated or worn door instantly refreshes the appearance of Redmond properties. With a wide range of design options available, from sleek modern finishes to classic styles, homeowners can choose a look that complements their architecture. Reducing maintenance needs. Older wooden doors may require frequent sanding, painting, or repairs. Quality replacement doors available in Redmond are made from durable materials that resist warping and deterioration. This reduces the need for ongoing maintenance and helps maintain a polished appearance over time. Supporting long-term durability. A door is used every day, often multiple times. Investing in a high-quality replacement ensures the door can handle regular use without losing alignment or functionality. Redmond homeowners benefit from smoother operation and fewer repair concerns over the years. Improving indoor noise control. Doors can influence how much outside noise enters your home. Well-constructed replacement doors in Redmond help reduce sound transmission, contributing to a quieter and more comfortable interior environment. Increasing property value. Upgrades that combine style and performance often add lasting value. In Redmond neighborhoods, homes with updated doors tend to stand out for their polished appearance and improved functionality. Replacement doors are viewed as a worthwhile improvement by many buyers. Enhancing entryway functionality. Modern replacement doors offer improved hardware, smoother hinges, and better overall fit. Redmond homeowners enjoy easier operation and secure locking mechanisms that enhance daily convenience. A practical and stylish investment. Investing in quality replacement doors is about more than aesthetics. For homeowners in Redmond, it's a decision that strengthens security, improves energy performance, and refreshes the look of the home. With durable materials and thoughtful design options, replacement doors offer long-term benefits that support both comfort and curb appeal. By choosing quality upgrades, Redmond residents ensure their homes remain attractive, efficient, and secure for years to come.